Naomba tuwapigie sarakasi dancers makofi. Wapigieni makofi. Wapigieni makofi. Ni vijana wadogo sana. Wapigieni makofi. Polite warning, please do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to recognize the sign language translators of the day, Grace and Judy. Wapigieni makofi. Grace and Judy are our assistants on the sign language. Asanteni sana. Ningependa niwakaribishe our Secretary General mwenyewe kufungua convention hii, Honorable Jeremiah Kioni. Mpigieni makofi anapokuja kwenye jukwaa.
Ama hizi zinatosha. Wana Jubilee mpo! Jubilee! Jubilee! Bere pamoja. Jubilee! Jubilee! Wagapi wamefurahi kumuona party leader wetu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta? Tusikie makelele yake. Asanteni. Nataka nishukue nafasi hii na nitasema kwa lugha ya Kimombo ili tuweze kuambatana pamoja na program na pia yale ambayo yameandikwa kwa katiba yetu, kwa kusema ya kwamba this National Delegates Convention, this special National Delegates Convention is properly convened. And for the avoidance of doubt, the change of venue from Bomas to Ngong Racecourse is also endorsed by this National Delegates Convention. 3, any variation to the notice period that may have occurred is also endorsed by this special National Delegates Convention. Wale ambao wanakubaliana na hayo matatu nimesema waseme as of many who are of that opinion say aye. As of those who are on contrary opinion say nay. Wako bali hao walipotea. Your Excellency, the party leader of Jubilee Party, and the 4th President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, all elected members of the National Assembly and the Senate who are here, all former members of Parliament, members of Senate, members of the County Assembly who are here, members of the County Assembly who are currently serving, all distinguished delegates, I want to say that I'm honored and humbled to stand before you today at this important moment in our country's history, in our party's history, during this Jubilee Special National Delegates Convention or conference this day, the 22nd of May, 2023. You will all recall that we last had our NDC on the 26th of February 2022 when the delegates mandated us to conduct the process of preparing for the general elections which were held on the 9th of August 2022. During that NDC, we also resolved that we will be members of Azimio Coalition. And it is during the same NDC that we, as delegates of Jubilee Party, terminated all forms of cooperation with UDA. And I want to repeat again, one of the resolutions that we had during our 26th February NDC was that we terminated all forms of cooperation with UDA, ya kwamba tulikata uhusiano wote ule na chama cha UDA. we also passed a resolution that all members of Jubilee Party who openly promote the policies and ideologies of other political parties outside of Azimio coalition be deemed to have ceased to be members of Jubilee Party and be removed from the register of members of Jubilee. It was also a resolution of the NDC that we in Jubilee will support our Azimio presidential candidate, Raila Amolo Odinga. Fast forward, uchaguzi ulifanyika. Sisi kama Jubilee tulipata viti bungeni na pia Senate 32 without counting those of our coalition parties that were with us as Jubilee. We also got MCAs across the country. Within the Azimio coalition, we won the majority seats in the National Assembly. Nataka kurudia kwa sababu hili ni jambo limechezewa sana. Ya kwamba sisi kama wanaazimio, Jubilee, ODM, Wiper, DAP na vyama vile NAK Kenya na vile zile zingine tuliweza kupata wingi wa viti vya wabunge kule National Assembly. Kwa ile presidential vote, Raila Amolo Odinga alipata 8.1 million votes na yule mwingine wa pande ile ingine akapata 5.9 million votes. 5.9 million votes. Na kwa sababu siasa zimekuwa nyingi katika wagine wakisema Mount Kenya ilikuwa hivi na vingine, mulihusu niseme ya kwamba wale ambao walipigia Raila Amolo kula kule Mount Kenya walikuwa watu 2,600,000, 2.6 million votes. Tulichida tu kuchida. Tulichida tu kuchida. Clearly we won. Clearly we won. But clearly they stole. We held our